Chef Omar, welcome to Mantur. This is Mantur Gastro Group. The concept is everything is homemade. We grow our own herbs. We use our local ingredients. Ice cream, mayos, vinaigrettes, we ferment. Raspberries, we do for 3 months. And they use locally and everything is homemade.